Joining me is Marco from Black Sea Rama Golf and Villas. This is from Bulgaria. Welcome, Marco.
Hello, welcome, thank you. My name is Marko Stojcev. I am the general manager of Black Sea Rama Golf and Villas. This is a very nice resort located near Balchik in Bulgaria.
Okay.
Only 2 hours and a half drive from Bucharest, now especially with the highway to Constanța. The resort consists of a wonderful golf course, but moreover it has wonderful luxury villas with private pools, amazing sea views,
Very nice.
4 restaurants, sports center, various possibilities for sports like biking, tennis, golf lessons, swimming. We have also a very nice spa, and we are located just 5 minutes away from the beach.
Oh, very nice. And you are on a cliff or something? How it's situated?
We are located on a cliff overlooking the sea. It's like 200 meters above sea level, which gives you a huge perspective. It's like 180 degrees view of the sea.
Very nice. That really sounds great. And you can have weddings there, right?
Of course, we do a lot of weddings. We organize like between 30 and 40 weddings per year, so we are quite experienced in organizing weddings. We cater for all types of weddings. We do not have any restrictions in terms of weddings, no restrictions in terms of minimum number of people.
Very important.
The maximum number of people, well, we can easily take up to 300 people. If your wedding is bigger, we have done such weddings, we require some additional equipment to be rented.
Okay.
But that's not a
Okay,
problem.
But it's possible
It is
to-
definitely possible. It is
Okay.
definitely possible.
That is the important thing.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me what kind of weddings do you have here? I mean, from the budget. It depends on what the grooms want to spend, or you have something very strict. How is it?
Everyone has a different lifestyle and a different budget. As I said, we do not have restrictions at Black Sea Rama. Our typical menu starts from 35 euros per person, and this includes a five-course menu, including wedding cake, which we actually do. We prepare in the resort. It can be of various sizes, shapes, flavors, whatever the guests want. Other than that, from this 35 euros, it can go up to unlimited, depending of what the people would require.
Okay, and I assume you also offer the accommodation depending on what they need.
Yes, we can easily take up to 250 people.
Okay.
If the wedding is bigger, of course, we can provide additional accommodation just next door in another resort called Lighthouse. They are just next to us. So we partner with them. Accommodation is not a problem. Our accommodation is private villas with private pools, but they are serviced like a 5-star boutique hotel, meaning that you have all the services there. Housekeeping, room service. It's like a hotel, but more private, so you get a whole villa for yourself.
Very nice. Tell me about the transportation, because if people are coming from Bucharest or I don't know, somewhere in Romania, can you help them with that, or they need to do it themselves?
Regarding the transport, we can organize transport from Bucharest. It's not a problem for us. We have done it once, so if we succeed at once, we can make it twice.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course. Please tell me, a lot of people love beach weddings. So can you provide this service also? I don't mean only organizing the wedding, but I mean the ceremony. The priest can come there, and what can you make?
We have organized weddings on the beach, although the beach is located 5-7 minutes away from the resort by car. It's not a problem. There are various beaches where we can organize that, but apart from the beaches, what we have is a scenic amphitheater, amazing amphitheater hanging just over the cliff, overlooking the sea, which, in my opinion, is it's more spectacular than being on the beach.
Okay, very nice.
Regarding the priest, we can manage to have a priest. He can be a Romanian priest from Constanța. We have done this
great.
again, so this is important for the people so that they know.
Okay, very nice. Tell me please, can the grooms have their honeymoon there, or maybe if they are not doing the wedding there, do you offer some packages for honeymoon?
We would definitely like to welcome all guests that did not have the chance to do their wedding at Black Sea Rama to have their honeymoon at Black Sea Rama. I believe we're a spectacular location for that. They can definitely do the honeymoon, and we have some special offers for them, some special discounts, and if they're interested, feel welcome anytime to drop us a line over the email so we can offer the best regarding their honeymoon stay.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thanks once again.